Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python full course, easy method. Start by installing Python, choosing an editor, and committing to 30 minutes of daily practice to build momentum and habit. Follow a project-first approach, focus on functions, data structures, and file I/O while testing small chunks. Use online docs and community forums when stuck, and track progress with small deliverables to stay motivated and review mistakes regularly. Install Python from Python.org, then set up VS Code or another editor with recommended extensions. Create a virtual environment for each project, learn pip for package management, and keep dependencies in requirements. TXT files. Start with a simple script, then add modules and tests as you grow. Commit code frequently, use version control with clear messages, and pair programming or code review speeds learning by exposing different approaches, and celebrate small wins. Master core concepts, variables, control flow, functions, classes, and exceptions, then move to generators and decorators. Practice data structures like lists, dicts, sets, and tuples with real examples, and learn list comprehensions and slicing. Explore file I/O, APIs, web scraping, and basic web frameworks for practical experience. Build incremental projects that combine these skills, write tests for critical paths, and refactor code to improve readability and performance and document decisions clearly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.